DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Gang, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The dog is back in the lab. Yeah man, gang, you don't know what time it is, you know. When we're back in the lab, let's see what we are dealing with, you know, man. We like it up him thing a little bit, you see me? Kinda get him thing in a different caliber, you see me I say? Yeah man, we're there with Malie Donn, the one in them blessings. We check it out and see what go on. Yo, I go back and I check and I say, dog, some song I miss from Malie dog drop and I don't react to them. We'll change all of that right, you know, again. We back in the lab, we back working. You don't know, so bang us on the head top, you see me? Yeah, man, say, without Malie Donn blessings, when I go all up the vibes much longer, we're going to jump right now in the track. Let's get it, gang. Show me to react to this dog. Yo, sometimes I react to a song now, like my camera did, and then I figure to do it over. So I don't know if I react to this or not. I swear.
We making some moves that them never did used to. Go for the cheese, but we no rat to no fool to. Gun pa my belly, ready for shot you a who you. Try stack my bread, no hesitant for go shoot you.
Yeah man. I was just I tell about that before the video ever started, gang. I was telling you, Malie been making some different moves lately. You see me? Been changing up his thing, and that's what I got talk about in his song. You see me? I say, come on, let's
we making some moves that them never did used to. Go for the cheese, but we no rat to no fool to.
Yeah.
Gun pa my belly, ready for shot you a who you.
Yeah.
Try stack my bread, no hesitant for go shoot you. Them try
stop my bread, me no hesitant for. Hey, come in.
About my blessing at school, you the client play hard, but me no lacking a voodoo. Me tan in a me yard, come me no like fear soon.
Play hard, but me no lacking a voodoo, dog. You see me? If it's cold now, you know, run it down with the eye lamp. Hey!
My mommy teach it right, but we just do what we choose to. Press play, me no pause in a race. You have to rough and dark in a game.
Yeah.
Boy, with this my dog in a grave.
Press play with a dark in the blood plead. Hey, press play with a pause in the race, brother. You see me, we don't call dark in the boy. This the dog have it good on, you know, brother. Tell man, I have to pull up that, man.
You have to rough and dark in a
yeah, man, come in.
you choose to. Press play, me no pause in a race. You have to rough and dark in a game. Boy, with this my dog in a grave. If a pug like and clot, the time you start dead. One more takan in a face.
Dead. I'm tear lift it up and clot the time years on the bumbo clean.
If a pug like and clot, the time you start dead. One more takan in a face. If I'm for no one, see 49 grain. Mount a dog, we park in a lane. Counterpart and harm me migrate. I just the blessings. Laptop and grill, just check out the settings.
How you mean laptop and grill? Check out the settings, man. Blessings are flow, dog. I seen fruits and labor, dog. Feeling himself. Big up yourself, Malie, dog. I feel the fruits and labor. Look how the dog up. Look on the dog swag compared to what they are in Jamaica. Look on the diamonds, man. The man watch. Polo, the man a rock tea, polo tea down. Man, the man jacket and glasses. Look on the man surroundings. Life up for the G now, man. Yeah, man, that my life is. Come in, Malie.
The blessings. Protect my life with a 9 pound my belly. The blessings. You know some ready.
Louis V jacket, that bad. Easy yourself.
The blessings. One life we live can't make them take you. I'm blessed and highly favored. Pass me cake, I no like see haters.
Highly favor pass me cake coming on like say yeah Taz talk come in man.
Blessed and highly favored. Pass me 9 coming on like see traitor. I'm blessed and highly favored. You know like see fakers. I'm blessed and highly favored. Full suit and name brand. Yeah, me see a money man I make.
It's a blessed and highly favored. You see full suit and name brand, brother. I'm to you. Hey.
Highly favored, full suit and name brand. Yeah, me see a money man I make.
Yeah.
High grade and cut man I make.
Yeah.
Pass my gun, make my dopey one of them. Bust my gun, I could have 30 other them.
It's easy, Malie. Till I say money man I make, brother. I'm team man on there for high, brother.
Favor, full suit and name brand. Yeah, me see a money man I make. High grade and cut man I make. Pass my
If you
gun.
watch the video, make sure you like the video, you know, cause you see me, yeah, man, make your engagement up so we think turn up, you know, cause you don't know want to turn up a YouTube thing, you know, that man, I make. You see me, we love to do this, you know, we like the fun, you know, we like to give you good content, but man, I'm growing at this, man, I make after this thing too. I want to feel like, come in, man.
Make my dopey one of them. Boss my gun,
Play out the thing.
other them. Pumpy boss with the dirty am of them. Cause she cuss, come a fuck your other friend. Fuck the love, probably not see her again. I just saw the drug I mix.
Love, cause I see you again, woman. You see, it's a one night thing, and then you little, yeah, man. But yo, Malie music always give a vibe, make you feel like, say, yo, you know, make you feel rich, make you feel like you can go get the lifestyle, like you can upgrade the thing, level up your thing, live there, you know? Yeah, lavish life, you know? Villa settings, top floor, penthouse, beach house, you see me, beast, you see me, a yacht, you see me, and say, bad bitches, you see me, money, but you know, anything, you know, you make you can upgrade the thing, man, you see me, yeah, man, that dog veal in the luxury dance hall.
Dirty am of them. Cause she cuss, come a fuck your other friend. Fuck the love, probably not see her again. I just saw the drug I mix. I just the blessings, the blessings, the blessings. Laptop and grill, just check out the settings. The blessings, the blessings, the blessings. Protect my life with a 9 pound my belly. The blessings, the blessings, the blessings.
Come in, man, you have to protect the most precious gift God gave you, man. Yeah, man, your life. Come in.
The blessings, the
Blessings, the blessings.
One life we live can't make them take it.
No, sir. Can't make them take your 3 pints, man. How to make them do that? Come in, man. Can't make them take your 3 pints, man. Come on, man. Take it with the whole all of your might, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Life I live, you mean me, G? Go on, man. Like, how you live good with squash too, you see me? I say, yeah, man. Like, man. Cali dog, they wanna look there, I look down on the hill, you know? Believe no, man.
I believe never. Good.
Believe kill and believe cure. To you. Malie Donn, Bumblecly gang. Drop in the comments, man. One thing about the one there. What you think you dog do? Eh? They tell you Malie always depend on some different settings, man. I tell you say dog up in thing from one day and that dog talk about right now. You see me and say? You want dog thing up, man. Dog I shoot for the stars, man. I shoot for the. You see me? Yeah, man, go for the goal, Malie. You can do it, me G. Sky's the limit. You see me? I say, I'm like, your thing level up on the next level. You see me? You go, Malie. Yeah, man, dog, subscribe to the channel and was a supporter of the channel. You see me? So if you dog see this, Malie, big up yourself and go and do it. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. But yeah, man, we're there, man. I look out. So your dog, them deal with dance. I'll drop in the comments. You see me? Let me know if you're a part. If you make it to this part of the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Come on, you make it all the way through. If you hit the like and subscribe button, come on, man. I appreciate y'all for the engagement. Y'all been hitting the like, y'all been commenting. So drop your comments. Let's talk about it. Let's have a conversation going in the comments, guys. I always reply. Drop a request so you're going to get your shout out. You see me? I say, yeah, man, over there, man. Let's get it going, gang. Littest community reaction channel on YouTube now. Ask Christ. Love y'all and appreciate all y'all, man. No jokes. But yeah, man, if you like the show the artist and love and support, drop a comment, all that. Drop a request so you can get your shout out. All that good stuff. Till next time, guys. Next time, gang. You know what time it is. Take care of yourself and each other. Guys.
See, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.